Yeah, y'all see it. It's what y'all should have been waiting for. This pullback. A lot of stuff going on right now with these tariffs with Donald Trump. So the market's pulling on back. Take advantage of these dips. Man, I done had some buy orders already limit. Buy limit orders all already filled. I'm sorry. I know I'm not re-editing this video. But yeah, man, ULTY, USOY, PSEC, OXLC. Western Union had some orders with those, SVOL, TSLY. We about to get to it, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch the recent videos, share my channel also. Man, let's go. All right, we're going to start off with PSEC, man. PSCC, Prospect Capital, down $3.02 today. So y'all make sure y'all go and get some of that for y'all. I know some of y'all are in this play upside down, not really a play, it's just for income. For monthly cash flow, paying 4.5 cents a share a month. Right now it's down by order at $3.02. Got mine set already for 200 shares. I want to lower my average cost in this, and I'm gonna swing trade it when it go back up around the 340 mark. I'm gonna let it go. OXLC, 9 cents a share a month. It's got down to 347 a day. They did cut their dividend. It's going from 9 cents to 8 cents a share a month, but it still got like a 26% dividend yield. You still cannot beat that. We're gonna go with USOY. I did get 14 shares of this. I had at $8.98. That did trigger today. This got down to $8.89. So definitely about to go get some of that. Not loading up on nothing. Done got some in another portfolio. We're gonna go with ULTY. But you do want to take advantage of this while these are in these areas. I brought some at $5.99. Got down to $5.95 today. This one here I'm not gonna even play with. I'm gonna get me 5 more shares at $5.95. 5.95. Y'all know this not gonna stay down long. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this up. I at least want to bring down my average cost to right now I'm at 8.668. Want to get it below the $7 mark. No, I brought 100 shares in another portfolio. Got Western Union down to $8 today. Was $7.96. We'll get 5 shares at this price here. And just in case, might get a little more than that because I can swing trade this at this level here. This gonna go back to $8.50 at the minimum. I can lower my average cost and make a couple dollars. LYB, Lionel, and Basel had bad earnings. This got like a 9.5% dividend yield, 9.3% yield. P ratio is a 17.9. This can come down some more. 52-week low is $51. Why we not loading up on it? I definitely want to lower my average cost in this one, and for that yield, I take it all day, and it's a safe one. EMN, Eastman Chemicals, was another one I had in another portfolio, one of my growths. It's a chemical company based out of Tennessee. Market cap 7.09%, got a 4.54% dividend yield. P ratio of 9.2 is undervalued. 52-week low 56.78 with a high of 114.50. Might be one y'all want to go in. Got this as a hole in the buy. Sort of a buy and hold stock there. Another one I'm into is XLF. I'm just giving y'all these plays. This is a financial ETF. Got Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Dealing with like the credit card companies and banks. This one I'm definitely buying too. If you look at the all-time, this don't do nothing but go up. And you get a nice little 1.38% dividend yield with 1.27. It's another one I brought some other day. Another one I'm getting is COF, Capital One. It's a single stock financial company. They just brought out, I forgot what credit card company they just brought out, but 52-week highs of 232.45 with a low of $128 and $120.22. This one I'm watching too. I'm buying 1.12% dividend yield. I got some Amazon today too. I buy that weekly. SVOL paying 27 to 30 cents a share a month. Definitely got to get some of this. That's a nice one to have. I suggest y'all buy that. TSLY. They say the Tesla shares sale price are down in Europe. The EU is Europe and somewhere else. Just got down to 739 today. Just fine. Time to get some of this. I take that at this price here. Get 2 shares there to bring that average cost down. I'm buying $8 and under. On TSLY, if it's above that, unless it's at like 804 or something, I'm not touching it. That's the only time I buy it. Pays out monthly ORC. This one here, down to $6.91 today. At these prices, I sure will go get a share every day. At $7 and under. Instead of doing the $3 worth, I take this price here. You can't beat this. I'm gonna go with QYLD. ORC pays out 12 cents a share a month too. QYLD, I like it 17 and under. Got to buying dollars. Accumulate some of that. Got ARR, Armor Residential REIT. 24 cents a share a month. Came down also. And it's back up. Came down like 16.30 something, 16.15. Man, this might be the swing trade here. Get a couple dollars of that. It's a lot of little things, man. IVR. That's why I tell you I'm using margin now, because at these prices, man, you got to buy. And I can keep my money on the side in my pocket and pay my bills up and be getting the best of both worlds. One thing about these dividends, the dividends gonna pay the money back for me. So I actually got to come out my pocket. I can actually just stop trading, and the dividends gonna come every day and pay back the margin, the cash balance for me. MSTY. Definitely at these prices you want to go in. $18.76. USOI. Like this at 50 for 62 and under. Got ticker OPI. I brought 25 shares of this today at 22 cents. I'm going to get y'all, well, that's an office REIT, stay out of it. Lower your average cost to get ready for the swing trade with that. Lakin and Platt had good earnings. They came down a lot today. Said I'd get some of that. Hoping somebody merge with them and make this company better. They not the company they was back in the day. I suggest y'all stay out of Lakin and Platt. We got the Dow. Coming on down too. Got to lower my average cost in this one too. So got this time you put the money in, when you getting these discounts. AIYY options on artificial intelligence, yield max ETF, pay out monthly. All right, 52-week low 353 with a high 1194. I get some of this. Get a share every day at these prices here. I did get some of this, some pets. If y'all with me in this swing trade, I don't know if you are. I told you to stay out of it, but just in case, it's got down to $3.02. Put an order in for 5 shares with that. I triggered like 9 shares a day. I had 3 separate buy limit orders at three separate buy limit orders for 3 shares. That's 9 shares I brought today. This got down to $2.18 today. It dipped. That's why I tell you to have your buy limit order set. I had 5 different buy limit orders that triggered this morning off this play from $2.31 on down. This the dividend payment I just got. But I buy 5 shares of this every day. That's OXSQ. HPP is another REIT getting beat up. And I'm lowering my average cost in. Y'all stay out of this. So I'm at 414. 239 today. This a REIT. This gonna go up once the interest rates start going down. It's at 239. We got to buy at these prices here. This is gonna also be a swing trade. Man, I'm excited about my portfolio for the future, especially past from 2027 and beyond. Man, it's gonna be on. MITT had bad earnings. This is another REIT. 10.45% yield. P ratio is 8.5. Undervalued stock. 52-week low 562. 52-week high $7. This can also come down some more. But it's already in the good buy range though. $7.95 is the high. Trading at $7. I like to pick this up at about $6.50 and under. So I'm gonna just collect that dividend right now and chill and see what's gonna happen. Cause this can go back past the $7.95 mark. You know what? While I'm here, I just go ahead and buy a little something. I ain't tripping on that. Show a little love. Give them $3. It'll be all good. Another one getting beat down, Coney. I'm gonna show y'all why fiat matters. Why I tell y'all to buy Coney or Coinbase or something so you can monitor it. Coney was down 10% today. Like you see, down 14.29% now. This the time you want to buy Coney. $5 a day at these prices. Just lower your average cost. Coney got a 52-week low at 611. High 2023, which you never gonna see. Now let's see fiat. This the inverse of Coinbase. When Coney and Coinbase is up, it's down. It's gonna be up. This got up to 331 today. See, now you're not buying any of this. Now look at this look at the last month. Now this just see how it's up. Look at the last week. Now this paid a dividend of 13.5 cents a share for this month here. I got 2 portfolios. You can see I got one right here with 58 shares. And I got another one I buy some every day. I got a sale order in at $3.38 for 43 shares. I want to get out of that. I'm going to close that position, that portfolio, and I want to keep this one. I don't want to get too overweight in it because it's volatile. But let's go check out Traps now, see what else going on. We all know the market down, pulling on back today. Horizon, HRZN, 773 today. International paper, we know it had bad earnings. It's coming down, legging and flat. Excuse me. We got some of that today. Kraft Heinz down. Let that come down some more. Got HPP, OPI, Granite Point at 254. I'm at 293. I'm just collect that dividend. See if it's gonna come down some more. CHMI got to get this going at 271 today. Pick up some more of this. This gonna be a nice swing trade here. Ready Capital, another one we know. Paying like 12.5 cents a share a quarter. Just got a dividend from that last night. Got Dow, ARK down. TCPC, let me see just how I'm standing there. I should be good. 708, 853. This is a BlackRock REIT. 16.46% yield. Definitely about to get some of this. Add that to the list. MFIC, financial, 1241. I'm at 13, 1474. Get a little couple of this too. This ain't no must have. I got pets. We know land getting beat up. Gonna be another swing trade I'm gonna get out of. The lower my average cost, good. Right here, Medifast. Also another one. Y'all don't buy this. It's a late weight loss stock. Land, I say stay out of land too. Other places you could put your money. RYLD. Definitely got to get some at these prices. Around that 1450 range. Might go in there and get me 1,000 shares. Or 100 shares. Especially go to like $14. We're gonna see how low this thing gonna go with these tariffs. It's the time to buy. XYLD. About to pick up some of that too. Pay out monthly. That's why I'm using this margin. They only charge you 5.5%. Everything I'm buying is 8% or higher. You know, I got the yield maxes too. So, man, I'm quadrupling my money. Intel, 1942. INTC. Oh, yeah. These dividends about to be on fire, man. We got Lionel Basel. RVSB, Riverview Bank, another one I'm going to get out of. AFCG getting beat up. Got to bring down this average cost too, man, at 813. It's another REIT. GSBD, Goldman Sachs, definitely going to get some of this. 13.73% yield. GSBD. But in order for you to have a lot of money in margin, you got to put some money in your account to borrow against. I'm not worried about using my dividends, right? Living off my dividends now. APLY, 13 and under, must have at these prices. That means Apple is pulling back. This does options on Apple. So Apple is pulling back. That average cost is $15.59. That's the only time I buy this, when it's 13 and under. AMZY options on Amazon. This also pulling on back. $14.96. Pays out monthly also. I don't have a lot of this, but I just, when it's cheap, I buy it. Did get Coney. Might go get a couple shares of Coney. DISO options on Disney. Another yield max 1346. Got to get this while it's cheap. Pays out monthly also. They do options on Disney for you. Get paid for holding shares. AMDY gonna let that. I thought Walmart would have came down. That's why I want to catch. TSLY got ULTY. Like I told you, got a couple shares of that. Put about order in at $5.95 today. I'll get some at this price too to add on to it. Got 245 shares now. YMAG, MSTY did get some of this. Got a 52-week low of 1710. I'm gonna go get a share in my other portfolio. Well, I did put an order in for 5 shares at MSTY. I'm gonna get a share of this one. At that price was $18.26. This one dividend you can't beat. Gonna give you $1.00 a share every month. $18.26. This is the last one, a swing trade too. This gonna go back by the $20 mark. We got AIYY, SPYT. Now they got to come down some more for me to bother it. QQQY, all that got to come down some more. XDTE is cheap, but got to come down some more for me to swing the bat at it. I do finally have my 100 shares of SCHD from yesterday. Must have low today, so I can go get some more of my other portfolio, 2621. Definitely about to do that one. Got this on $1 a day recurring investments. At 2711. PYPY, definitely gonna get some more of this. Options on PayPal. Got to lower that average cost too. Clip, want that to come down some more. Let me see how my earn looking. This pays out monthly, 8 cents a share a month. But can't buy anymore. All you can do is sell it. So I just keep it for the dividend. DEA, see where this one is. 2188 now. Definitely another one to have. JEPQ and all that. They're gonna let that come down some more. XPay was new when I added on, 5371. Another Round Hill ETF. Really want this to come down some more too, but I give it $1. You can see it got a 52-week high of 62.56, low of 43. So this can come down some more definitely. And that's it, man. That's it for today. CNOB Bank. This just bank stock they gave you free. I'm gonna just sell that when they get at 52-week high. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Stay safe out there. Y'all better take advantage of these dips. I don't know how long they're gonna be down. They can be up on Monday. Can't time the market. Giving y'all this game free for y'all that watch the full videos. One thing about the videos, you can always go back and rewind it and look at it again. But y'all stay safe, stay cool. Signing off. Go get your money.